In front of me is OPPO K13 Turbo, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Start by opening Devices Settings and scrolling to click on Security and Privacy section. Then scroll again and this time tap on Device Unlock. Finally, hit Screen Lock. And now tap on Password Type, Numeric, Alphanumeric or Pattern. Don't worry, you'll be able to change it in a few seconds. Hit Continue at the bottom right corner. And now hit Use a different password type to pick one of those options. 4 digits, 6 digits, 4 to 16 digits, alphanumeric or pattern. Of course, alphanumeric is the most secure, but it's also really difficult to enter it every time. So I will go with pattern because it's actually the most popular. Create it. Repeat it to confirm it. And if you want to add your fingerprint right away, hit enable in this pop-up and follow all of the instructions from your screen. If you don't, hit cancel. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!